to Sogan's Crochet. Hi honey, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to teach you the pattern of Irish Crochet lace applique. You can crochet to any desired length for your projects. This video is dedicated to you. So let's see. Start the slip knot and chain as many as you want. I have crocheted chain 60 plus chain 1, then make a single crochet in each chain. Make a single crochet in each chain until the end. I crocheted row 1 at the end, chain 1, then make a reverse single crochet in each stitch for row 2. For row 2, make a reverse single crochet in each stitch. Insert your hook into the previous stitch and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2 to make a reverse single crochet. I crocheted row 2 at the end, chain 1, turn your work, then make a front post single crochet. Make a front post single crochet until the end. Make a front post single crochet until the end of the row. At the end, make a front post single crochet, then make a slip stitch in first chain. We should make a circle about 1/3 of the total length. Up to 20 chains at the beginning of my work, I should make a circle. Insert your hook and pull up loop. Insert your hook and pull up loop 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Yarn over, pull through all loops. The circle is formed. Then make a slip stitch in next stitch. Now turn your work, insert your hook into these 2 loops on the side. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, then make a slip stitch in next stitch. Your circle is completed. Chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thanks for the visit. Glad you found it useful. Many thanks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more content. I'll be in touch. See you soon.